Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2001 Toyota RAV4. It comes with 38,465 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.0 liter 4-cylinder with an automatic transmission. This RAV4 is 4-wheel drive. It is a factory right-hand drive with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see down here, and as y'all can see up here. These seats do stow away to create more cargo room, and that interior trunk cover does remove if you need more space. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. Alright, the number that you're seeing down at the bottom, 61,905. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 38,465. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle, starting with the driver's side door. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.